Hello, my name is Annette Bulgrin. I'm an account director for K.I.T Group. The demand for live events grows day by day. Therefore, the health and safety of all event participants has a high priority for K.I.T Group. We use 3 key tips help to create a secure live event. A clear communication strategy regarding the hygiene and safety concept of the event is essential. The concept should reflect the customer journey from its arrival at the venue to the exit with its key touch points and planned measures. MICE industry certified venues and their service providers have well-tested comprehensive hygiene and safety concepts that consider all important event aspects. K.I.T Group has developed a hygiene and safety concept for all types of event formats. This concept serves as a guideline for the respective risk assessment of events and required event-related hygiene and safety measures. Our certified hygiene representative is at your side to provide consultancy and advice. As a summary, trust in the event on the part of participants, exhibitors, sponsors, partners, service providers, and the travel industry is essential for a successful event.